Welcome to Earth's Healing Secrets. Today we're diving into the core of herbalism, learning key terms and basic concepts that every herbal enthusiast should know. Understanding herbal terminology is like learning a new language. It helps you identify herbs, understand their uses, and prepare them safely. Herbalism is the art and science of using plants for wellness. It's an ancient practice rooted in tradition and nature's wisdom. An infusion is made by steeping herbs in hot water, like brewing a cup of herbal tea. A decoction involves boiling tougher plant parts, like roots or bark, to extract their benefits. A tincture is a concentrated herbal extract made by soaking herbs in alcohol or vinegar. A salve is a soothing ointment made from herbs and oils, used for healing the skin. A poultice is a moist preparation of herbs, applied directly to the skin for healing. Energetics refers to an herb's effect, whether it's warming, cooling, moistening, or drying for the body. A materia medica is a personalized herbal guide where you record details about each herb, its uses, and your experiences. Herbalism takes a holistic approach, focusing on the whole person, body, mind, and spirit, not just symptoms. Correct dosage is key. More isn't always better. Start with small amounts and adjust based on your body's response. Herbs can be prepared in many ways, through teas, tinctures, salves, or oils, each suited to different needs. Both fresh and dried herbs are used in remedies. Dried herbs are more concentrated, while fresh herbs offer vibrant flavors. Herbal preparations vary depending on the plant part, like roots for strength or flowers for calming effects. Always consider safety. Some herbs have contraindications. Consult trusted resources and professionals when in doubt. Choose herbs based on their properties and how they align with your body's needs. Warming for colds, cooling for inflammation. Track how herbs affect you. Every body is unique, and listening to yours will guide your herbal journey. Harvest herbs sustainably. Take only what you need and leave enough for the ecosystem to thrive. Keep a journal of herbs you've tried, their effects, and your experiences. It's a valuable resource for your growth. Today we've learned the language of herbalism, infusions, tinctures, poultices, and how to safely prepare and use herbs. Start small. Try an infusion or salve, record your observations, and enjoy the process of connecting with nature. Ready to deepen your knowledge? Join our next lesson and continue your journey into the world of herbalism. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more insights and explore our free resources. Your herbal journey starts here.